Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed learning and learning theories such as Thorndike, Pavlov, and Skinner. In today's class, we will study another important topic in child development and pedagogy, which is motivation in learning. Motivation plays a crucial role in education because it encourages students to actively participate in learning activities and achieve their goals. So, let us begin today's session and understand motivation in learning in a detail. Motivation is one of the most important factors influencing learning. Even if a student has the ability to learn, learning may not occur without motivation. Motivation helps students stay interested in learning, work hard to achieve goals, overcome difficulties in learning, improve academic performance. Therefore, teachers must understand how motivation works in the learning process. Meaning of motivation. Motivation refers to the internal or external factors that encourages a person to act or perform a task. It is the driving force behind behavior. In education, motivation play helps students actively participate in learning activities. For example, a student studies hard to achieve good marks or appreciation from teachers. Definition of motivation. Good. Motivation is the process of arousing, stunning, and directing behavior toward a goal. Woodworth. Motivation is the state of the individual that directs behavior toward a particular goal. This motivation influences how strongly a student wants to learn. Types of motivation. There are main two types of motivation. First, intrinsic motivation. Motivation that comes from within the individual. A person performs an actively because they enjoy it or find it interesting. For example, a student reads books because they love learning new things. Extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation comes from external rewards or pressures. The person performs an actively to receive rewards or avoid punishment. For examples, studying to get good grades, completing homework to avoid punishment, working for a prizes or rewards. Both intrinsic or extrinsic motivation can influence learning. Importance of motivation in learning. Motivation plays an important role in education. It helps students develop interest in learning, maintain attention and concentration, achieve academic goals, build confidence and persistence. Motivation comes the learning process more effective. Factors affecting motivation. Several factors influence motivation. Interest of learner, learning environment, teacher encouragement, rewards and recognition, success and failure experiences. Teachers can increase motivation by creating a positive learning environment. Role of teacher in a motivation. Teachers play an important role in a motivating students. Teachers can motivate students by using interesting teaching methods, providing positive reinforcement, encouraging students' participation, recognizing students' achievements. A motivated classroom leads to better learning outcomes. Strategies to increase motivation. Teachers can use various strategies, set clear learning goals, provide constructivist feedback, use interactive activities, encourage student curiosity. This strategy helps students develop interest and engagement in a learning. Key exam points. Motivation is the driving force behind learning. Two types, intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Motivation improve interest, attention and performance. Teachers should encourage intrinsic motivation because it leads to deeper learning. So, in today's class, we discussed the concept of motivation and important in the learning process. We learn about intrinsic and extrinsic motivation and how teachers can motivate students effectively. Understanding motivation helps teachers create positive and engaging learning environments. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in this CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss factors affecting learning, another important topic for the CTET exam. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class on Archana's Teaching Up.